enti bema ba wabekasa Kennedy akompra kon Agyapong wabetre na adwen afa Ato Forson abas wa pump 10 billion US choppable dollars ede akowura Forex market on just to stabilize dollar no akompra kon Agyapong wabefire na enyo no kwa journalists and other tiktokers so achiro madwen ewo ho mema nchire mu no achire wadwen amame ewo comment section ahi Penyah block media mess wa say need mu obe like video no other ma put subscribe button somebody click the notification icon for the latest updates na be chire wadwen da amame ewo comment section mess us about so na share for so nya biasho. You know, Ghanaian youth have been complaining for unemployment in Ghana here. I say unemployment only nya dey dance here say the rate at which the youth are unemployed is so serious because of that no. Omukra engaging in illegal way of getting money. They are engaging in illegal way of getting money, acquiring riches for themselves. I say enye kwan papa. I'm just say FBI any police for kwache chinipa ni ade ade. I say entwede nyina ye nwuma eni oman ni mo. Now 25 when say NDC eba memo promise a job for the youth. Where their flagship policy 24-hour economy. Obia bedidi, obia benya adwuma aye. But it's so interesting you see say 24-hour economy no. I bet something minimal. I say it has diminished into the 10 air. Yeah, 24-hour economy no can be said na 24 no no. Almost gina simple so the vim e kasa 24-hour economy now no. Yenti din say be obeta na just social media TikTok. And as amount for able questions on that. Omo formal as teachers and nurses no. Omo ketu and say no enkoyi. But enra echi no eneba say just to stabilize dollar in this country Ghana no. Abano Abana spending 10 billion US dollars into the Forex market just to stabilize dollar. Said dollar beba from keke. Ain't now dollar now at 14.75 as of 6 January 2025. Ade be chame do ma betena kunya so. Just to reduce this now ba be do 11.5. From there no 14.75 to 11.5 royalty free ma just 3 cedis 25 pesos interval. Just 3 cedis 25 pesos difference. But Omayano up pump 10 billion US dollars. Edia kurum. Ada kasesi ka wetin na bia nyuma. Ama mabrun enya biaye. Eno ana Kennedy akompra kon Agyapong. Only journalists and tiktokers abe class rate John Mahama and Ato Forson.
I don't see why say epoda na uhia wa. Hwe tourism ya to top boats. Na you see restaurant esa epono ho sa. Holidays a man for bar a family of 5, 10. No matter high boats no more than nam epuiso. You have lifeguards, speedboats, BBC says here, they are there. We can have helicopters. Ebe monitor sea no, so we quite a chili pa. What you say? I mean, restaurant on the boat, on the sea, is so fantastic. Yani efria, eko Dubai, any ma, eko tena, eko high boat nubi. Baby, a friend Marina. Oma build it. Na young lady. Adaya oma bregu hono. Na ubaha, I will change it. But ni bema ni panati asiye. Wasi dining in our manono. New buildings now ubisi no. They become owners too. Ebia shops year 20 year. You see diamond any of about shops no. Udi wom 3. Odi ase. So why nyane sa obi a ni nananom esi dan wa betinam no. He doesn't see anything different. Until he will not accept. Until they should be co-owners. Of course, investors some do musika never. Until they own about 80-90%. After building a most our 10% for investment. More. This is how we're going to do it. What do you say? Now, you clean see no. Ya Ghana tourism. You intimi promote me here. You know why? So we call beach. Na uti in Siona Noa. A fear, a boba. So filthy. Nobody, no tourist will come again. Now tourism goes with sanitation. I'm going to clean all the cities. and the beach front, and you see what will happen. The money that we begin to make, and send a bit to me, ama Cape Coast.
Okay.
You America.
I was here for Ato is really forcing to stabilize the cities. $10 million. And NDC are buying Ato Forson. A pump a good system no mu said the beya CDC no be fan into my perfra. And see how could you one near my boarding san. Near my boarding to city war form. Near Moyan, Sika and care what's a more defined for near teacher phone. Dear Modiano.
No, me who say yanka say nyanum joy for a year. Publication me about say government are spending about $10 billion from January to now to sustain our exchange rate. In fact, we am shame. And in all sincerity and honesty, bad. Me dreading dollar bar from Abuami. But for us as a nation, ya ye nyine ni madie ba ko a edi enyenti ama ya dollar to cedi hunkomodie no enwie peyo. Now within 1 year, you're spending $10 billion just to show up your dollar. And you're sitting komodie there. Then it's a challenge. $24-hour economy, according to Rev Wisitano, needs $4 billion. And unim nebe de amaye. A big creating Numa. A big open up production. $4 billion. Pumping $10 billion into the economy. Unmadiaye. I created thousands of jobs. Baby a cranium madi free. Anything and the so could you more, and then maybe bo a wasro. And then money boss be bring say near my ye my way. And I never was so. But the Madudu a ye credible man because a dollar no, I be easy access on Sabbath me account no, and then a boy from there's no choice about that. The Macato say, because I'm a year coast on tea, me crane money be. And the last month I'm never cry by and crano. Must save you close to about 20,000. Because of dollar above 40. But I continue to ask myself, say, yet then yet we pump $10 billion for BB say any money ye. When you use $4 billion, yet me a boy expanding my production jina nasu ye. Emma ye the name of be qua a from me quamon on it. And Emma ye credit from on any ball memono, yet me etesua, and be a long lasting thing for us. But I rather choose to spend $10 billion to create jobs in other people's country. Yes, President Bekachre said Bank of Ghana making some interventions. Some of us near thought say but $10 billion, Mr. President, is too much. It's too much. Do you know the number of jobs at $10 billion in our economy bet me created the amount for? Bedi na kwa krane ma wa monane e na ko porta amafo akrane ma bo memu no enya de ketwa because dollar rate above form. For how long are we going to continue to pump in $10 billion to show up your currency when the fundamentals are becoming weak? And I make say the whole Ghana one more year portrait koko and cook on farmer KFC. The whole Ghana. Nipa say no we sike betimi ato akoko 150 cities ekum nawe. Di na man ye den sese bi yakasa ne me go mamu ne betimi support go mo ama ne ma ne bo aba fom. Rather we celebrate around baby betimi take time. They are building here. Can we tell ourselves as a nation, say, your selected companies best at 3. Omejia emo, o me ye mo aban the be $10 billion every adwuma be na wo Ghana aban $10 billion every ankra adwuma be. So why do we pump $10 billion just to sustain a currency? Eti enna ye ntimi say nya bi won ba bia dollar say kekako. So che ye tibi nya another 10 billion fa mu bia mu a na sa show up. It's simple. We can't continue this lie. You more the private sector. Let's help them to grow. And near my Ghana for the want to do it me and your maimu. But because production in Ghana is expensive. Production in Ghana is too expensive. It's in my do Ghana be on the boarding. Be from on the paper, not the boaba form because I want them no production war form. And then can you abone as to me from 1st January 2026, it's a key effect. It also gives you another clue. Say, and near my ye be or memono, nibo be sako should be chance in a hunine. So have you thought of saying, Ghana, and you might better $10 billion. So from Rome, would you be the near my Ghana for the year pan or more from produce for Mama Yaya? It can M1 naturally and $10 na who so kakra. Rather than doing this, Mr. President, we need to go back to the drawing board again. We can't continue to pump in $10 billion annually just because a person show up. And medical cancer, the more we continue to do that, the more na ye creating you mama and for mama so. Ye mebunu o memu ye djuma. So it means you see keep it in the 24-hour economy no ayeduma. There should not be any excuse anymore. The 24-hour economy should start. If you're waiting $10 billion to hold the dollar there, then it means 24-hour economy me just at their stretch.
I wish for it is possible and the pie we enumerate the boko. I wish for the picture here that's the way. What they carry in the home common. Bank of Ghana pumps 10 billion Ghana cedis, new currency, into Forex market since January 2025 to aid cedi stabilization. Abuja for the people you patch in say Bank of Ghana, the 10 billion Ghana cedis, medical old currency, and requirement member. A pompia gu Forex market, send a bayer, Yebeka oh, cedi nijina and naso. And as Yebeka say cedi no HAC dollar no. Just that, enuntino. Ghana buying you what is we at the 10 billion Ghana cedis. Share Forex market in him. Sane beye beka se Ghana cedis ni jina na so anase HAC dollar no. Abusuya fo nka bibia ne dia nka nya asemu nka ne papa mu a enso yete o man a nurse 40 fie sikasemu nti yemfa o madwuma na omo ya fo o madwuma nso so o ya adwuma afini a yentua omoka ana yetua omoka bosome ba akopɛ teacher for free 2020 yemfa wo yemfa 2021 fo ni bi yemfa 2022 fo ni bi yemfa 2023 fo ni bi ni nyina esikasem abusua na senke o ska dwuma we na esi edidi ye ka human resources aban we pese yembo na baso wo niema bi o ha it doesn't reflect in our lives. Ye catch them say clock the John. Aban we pe animunyam ye abasobode yen kan niema yen yina ye. Nanso de edi yina ye na ankasa enim. Ye catch nipa bebre say dollar so ate, petrol so ate, enso en reflect wo ya brabom. Ene hwe calipo 5 cedi 250 mils. Ene calipo 5 cedi ya sa ate 50 mils a free so amanako 200 mils. Menu mienu ti ha. See ati fuel so ati dollar so e was enka calipo ye ton 1 cedi 50 pesos comparing to say ati dollar so ni ati fuel so because fuel price e affect adie biabo see ati petrol so a e affect lorry fare e affect niema a wokofa see ati dollar so a niema a ye kra free amon na aba no e affect masa niema ne bo ba fom nti abusuafo imagine say na do free so ni ente dollar so na ente fuel so na ya bete so IMF kura magana warning say cedi na e kosoro no ɛyɛ fake ɛyɛ out ɛnyɛ Ghana for na abɔ brabi ana aban bi na abɔ brabi ɛna ama dollar no ana cedi ne kɔsoro na emum sika yɛ wɔda hɔ a ɛwɔ se yɛde tua nursefoɔ a yɛ adwuma ka yɛfa ɔmo ti fie etua ɔmo ka yɛ adwuma no so yɛtu yɛ ka tua mu no ɛna aban na tam sɛ wɔde kɔhyɛ market na sika die hu nkita ho wɔ mu no sɛne yɛbɛyɛ cedi ne bɛgyina ne nan so na emum nya brabi na Ghana abɔ ama sika no ɛkɔ soro ana aban bi na aba ana wama sika no ɛkɔ soro me ne omienu nim si ate petrol so enso ade bi ya na yɛtɔ no 3 cedi ana yɛnya nte petrol so na ɛkɔ 4 cedi 5 cedi wɔanya MPPNDC asɛm o ɛnya MPPNDC asɛm aban we yɛ krɔkrɔ de dwon wo yɛ Ghana ni wo yɛ nipa used to wadwene ne hu sɛ si yɛte fuel so a ɛwɔ sepan bi a wotɔ no 20 cedi na at least eba 18 cedi na 17 cedi because yɛbɛte lorry fare so baby a wɔkɔfa ade no baby wɔkɔfa free yɛbɛte so yɛbɛte ade korɔ no so ana yasa ate dollar so a nneɛma yɛkɔ kra free ama no ne ba nyinaa so yasa ate so minu mienu ti ha yɛsa calculation wo de wonim hwee a tie saa nsɛm yɛ making ne hu sɛ Kalipo ɛwɔ sɛ nke yɛtɔ no 2 cedi sesa amere yɛsɛ Kalipo foɔ ate ne kɛseɛ nso wobebusa me sɛ die nti na ɔmate ne kɛseɛ nso yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ sikasɛm ɛne nneɛma ho ayɛ den ɛnɛ wo kɔ amonɔne o sesa wo sika wɔ dollar yɛate dollar zo ɛsan sɛ ɛyɛ sika yɛ wɔda hɔ a yɛde akɔhyɛm ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɔ aban wei aba so abra en reflect wɔ yɛn abra bɔ mu nti no wo sesa dollar yɛntimi sesa mbro 2000 because who sabru 2000 Bank of Ghana beboka because dollar na yate so no ono na yes wo ya adwuma bi na see aban we dey ye bona baso infrastructures by yesre no human resources ye ho no ye botom no aban we ba bia wonhwe aban we ba bia kuafo eniema so te ene aburo beans ukoba bi eton beans a ubetimi afa car bag endru 100 endru your friend is saying obetuma fa kia ma endru 50 million 5000 Ghana cedis aban we ba bia akuafo ho kire wo aban we ba bia adwuma yefo ho kire wo aban we die ne ma menya kwan tu baabi eho beba mfa so da bi ma minsi dan bi nsi baabi eho beba mfa so da bi ne nyina ayo ba ye die hia ansa na ye de fata hweye ayeti kronim wo time 10 billion Ghana cedis, which can employ every unemployed teacher, any nurses in Ghana. Ede ko shem se ne yebebo wabaso se wabo adwuma ama cedi na basoro. Ana cedi ne HAC dollar. Den na omu benya. Nurse for teacher for da bi ebu nkotodwe ye demonstration. Ekire mo na cedi na masoro na teacher for nya kakra wo omu botoma. Nti wumpe ye were 10 billion da hɔ a ye de kwaje ni munyam animunyam a it doesn't reflect in the real life, it only happens in the internet. Ukokasa obi so omayenka. This is not about MPP and DC. This is nothing about MPP and DC. This is about Ghanaians. Yes, Rabbi sika wo pompegu ai Forex market na mu no is too much. On twenani na 10 billion, emu 5 billion kura betimi atua nurses for na omu ayi adwuma.
Obesa chere wadwen amame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!